What's up, guys? Uh, this is my fire pit. Got this about, I don't know, 7 years ago or so. It's been a while. I've used it a few times, more than I would like to use it, but this is what happened to it. It's junk now. So, if you had one of these, they typically made them with like cheap steel. They sit in a ring, like so, like this, and all the heat's at the bottom, so it kind of destroys it. So it's gonna go to trash. I'm gonna buy into the Smokeless Fire Pit. This is from Red Mountain Valley, 19H stainless steel smokeless fire pit. You guys know solo fire pits out there, smokeless, but it's like $300-400. I don't think I want to spend $300 or $400 on a fire pit that I don't use often. So I settled for this thing. This was like $70. It was on sale, so picked one up. I want to know what the fuss is all about. I read into making one and all that stuff, and you know, it's not worth the hassle, to be honest with you. Sometimes you just not want to go through all that hassle of building one. It's a lot of moving parts, a lot of drilling, a lot of things you got to do, so I'm not doing it. Comes in a box like usual. Has an outer ring. Looks like stainless steel, feels like stainless steel. It is pretty heavy. This is the 19-inch. Comes with a dustpan. Now, from what I've read, you got to make sure that you clean this religiously. If you don't clean it, it's not gonna work. Basically, there's a lot of air suction and vacuuming and air moving going on, that you're gonna make sure that there's room for that air to move. Now, this comes with this little screen where you place your wood, and I don't know how long this screen is gonna last, or how many fires, but we're gonna find out. It has a little hook right here to grab the bottom pan, and you put the bottom pan. Actually, let me show you the inside. So there's these air vents right here. There's air vents here, and there's air vents here. So this ring right here, this air vents right here, is supposed to cause it to be smokeless. Now, there's a little science involved in this. It will not be smokeless immediately. Basically, what needs to happen is the fire needs to, actually the chamber needs to heat up. The heat itself is going to create the vacuum. Okay, so at some point you're going to see fire coming out of those little holes at the top. It looks like the fire's getting sucked in from the bottom and being pushed out from the top. Technically, that's not what's happening. Some of it is happening that way, but it's a very clever vacuum cyclone thing happening inside the chamber, and because it's creating such an intense heat, it kind of makes the smoke go away. There's still smoke, but it's almost not to a point that when you sit in front of a fire pit and you got smoke coming to your face. That's what's being eliminated. That little dark smoke, or like the black smoke, or whatever it is that comes in your face and you can't breathe, you're in tears. This is what's supposed to eliminate it. So let's get it started. Let's get some fire going. So let's see if we could get this actually to work, and see if it actually works. So let's do it. We're going to start with some small kindles just to get some fire going before we put the big logs in there. All right, guys, so it's been about 35 minutes or so. The fire's running hot. I don't see any smoke at all. The only time you see a smoke when you add wood to it, and it immediately almost goes away right away, like quickly. But it is burning hot. I could feel the heat over here. I don't see smoke at all. It works. It is smokeless. It's pretty contained. As you can see, the rim has changed color from the heat. You could build this up a lot higher if you like to. So you could build this up to the rim, but that's when you start getting the smoke. You want the wood to be below the rim. This is how the smoke is contained, and that's how you prevent it from having a lot of smoke come out from the pit. But start from the kindles, then put these in. It takes about 35 minutes to 40 minutes to get to temperature. So this actually puts out a good amount of heat. It's very concentrated, like coming up straight, of course. Again, with the previous fire pit, I was fighting the smoke, constantly moving around. With this, I am not moving around. You're still gonna get the smoke, the smell of the smoke, and if the heat is hitting you, you're gonna get that smoke smell. I can't even talk anymore. But overall, it does contain the smoke. You will get smoke flare-ups here and there, very, very minor, but nothing crazy. So overall, it's a good fire pit for the price. For 70 bucks is not bad. It works. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below if you have something similar like this. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys, and hit the like button. Peace out.